as you can see, we leave.
The boat is no longer attached to the dock.
Whoops. No.
Nice.
Don't knock camera overboard.
It's always wrapped around my...
Wrap it around. See, look, we're moving away from the, we're pushing away from port. I've had my first fabulous massage of this cruise. I'm going back for seconds. It was that good. It really was. Oh, that's the new thing they're building, the new terminal.
Oh, that's the fancy part.
That's the new terminal. Oh, look, we're right above your boat.
Oh, my...
Your special emergency boat is right there, Kirsten. If
I'm not doing that.
If we are torpedoed by people, you can actually just jump straight down to your boat.
There's no grappling equipment, so jumping down is probably not.
Who needs grappling? Okay, now here's your chance, Kirsten.
There's a houseboat racing us.
If you want, hi, look, they're waiting. If you want to get off now, that's all you got. The woman in the houseboat. Pontoon. That's all you got. She's your last chance. Last chance to
She's
go.
doing a selfie of herself in the boat next to the...
Nice.
Maybe there's people in the balcony that she knows.
I don't know.
Something came up.
You saw a shark fin.
Dude! It's
What?
fucking dolphins!
Dolphins.
Watch out towards that blue boat.
Oh, yep. Shark.
Well, I assumed shark at first, but now I'm going to go with dolphin. I don't know if there's one or two. There's one that keeps coming. I just want to know if Titanic is streaming on the TV here.
I don't know.
Or my personal favorite, the first shipwreck movie ever I watched as a child, Side Adventure.
I'd probably have nightmares if I watched that.
Oh, it's not that great. You know what the biggest take-home lesson is from something like the Poseidon Adventure?
No, Kirsten, what is the biggest take-home lesson from this Poseidon
You
Adventure?
should always be wearing practical shoes and clothing, because when you're trying to run through a sinking ship in high heels and an evening dress, doesn't work out well for those people.
Are those like red shirts?
Essentially, yes. But I mean,
They all died.
when you watch shows where things end badly because there's a disaster, the people who are wearing inappropriate clothes tend to go first. Just saying, especially bad shoes or no shoes. No shoes can be a killer too.
Good thing I left my heels and my gown at home.
She's retired now. She's living a good life. Okay, where are we right now?
We're in Galveston, so we have to go east,
What's east of Galveston?
the Gulf of Mexico.
Is it?
The sun sets in the west. We're going out east.
Okay. This is Galveston. This is the coast of the United States. What's over here? Fucking Florida, which is in the east.
Okay, we're gonna go southeast. We're gonna turn and go south.
Because we're gonna go like this. To
Okay,
Honduras
but
and
that's
then to
still
Mexico.
east. Right, we're leaving east and coming back west. What? We have to go
Get
east.
up! Get a map! Jesus Christmas.
What?
No, we're not going east! How
South?
can we go?
South.
Southwest. Oh my God.
Look on the TV. Look on the TV. It's on the TV.
I know, I watched it earlier.
Show me, quick, while you have. Show me.
Show me quickly while there's internet.
While there's internet, show me. How relaxing is this? You yelling at me.
I'm always yelling at you. That's why you're still alive.
Who's going to survive?
Map of Southeast USA. Something's going on upstairs. It seemed extremely loud.
Well, according to the ship thingy, when's the first trivia contest we can do?
Okay, so Okay.
Ooh, at 4 p.m. Well, I missed the spiral.
Oh, I stand corrected because we have to go around this big peninsula. So we have to go down. Well, we're not going east, like
Southeast.
east.
We're going southeast.
Right. Well, southeast puts you in Florida. So we're mostly going south. We got to get around the whatever Yucatan.
Yeah.
Get to Honduras and then come up this way.
Did you just say you stood corrected?
I didn't realize
Did you
there was a
get that,
big
everybody?
peninsula there.
She stood corrected. She's sitting down, but she stood corrected.
Whatever this
I
is
might
called.
know.
The Yucatan Peninsula.
I think
We're not going due east, to be clear.
No, not due east, but I mean, we're not going west.